Guys, we're gonna do some reverse sear ribeye steaks on my Louisiana Grills Black Label pellet grill coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, that bell next to it, and you get all the alerts on what we're doing here on the channel, all right? So you may notice that we're not inside. We're not gonna be messing on the stove. We're not gonna be using the Ninja Foodi Grill. Guys, we are outside today because it's getting a complete makeover inside. We're finally breaking down, getting some new countertops, new backsplash. It's gonna be amazing. So with that said, we are outside today. We are cooking outside. I got a 10-pound ribeye roast that I need to chop up into some steaks. I'm gonna use my brand new Frostfire Doll Strong knives. Sharp as could be. Not only sharp as cutting stuff, but they're damn sharp. They're good looking knives, all right? So check it out. Links down below. Get a little bit of money off if you use the code. Make it happen, all right? So that's it. We're gonna cut about 2-inch thick steaks. The roast itself is kind of flat. It's a little odd, but you know, we're just gonna roll with it. I'm not gonna stress about it. Gonna clean it up, cut them up, and then we're gonna do a little dry brine on them using some kosher salt. Put them in the fridge, let them chill out for a little bit, let that moisture kind of leak out, absorb that salt. The best way to do your steaks, I guarantee you, all right? Then we're gonna get on that Louisiana Grills Black Label pellet grill. Right, we're gonna reverse sear it. We're gonna bring it up to about 120 internal. We're gonna put them on the top rack so it just kind of gets a little bit of that smoke, a little bit of that heat, just kind of bring it up nice and slow. Make it nice, and then we're gonna put our grill grates over the Sear Tech slide out thing. We're gonna bring our temperature all the way up to 600 degrees, get those grill grates nice and searing hot, get those cool looking grill marks on there, all that good stuff. Guys, it's gonna be amazing, all right? All right, we're gonna salt these steaks, nothing fancy. Again, we cut these really thick so it can take a lot of salt. Make sure you get the cap. We'll get these in the fridge, let them just chill out for a little bit, and then we'll cook them in a couple hours. Get them on that LG pellet grill. Gonna be nice. All right, come on back. All right, guys, we got our steaks ready right now. We're gonna start off with a little SPG from Kosmo'sQ. Light coating, because we're gonna use 3 different rubs on here. Next, we're gonna do a little hot cow cover, just the lightest little bit. Last up, we're gonna do a little Texas beef. Okay, we're gonna let these set for a little bit, get them on the grill. All right, as we're coming up to temp, we're gonna get the roast and the steaks on. We're just gonna go right through the middle. We're just gonna put it up here, and let's get the steaks on. Guess it works out that these are pretty skinny. We get the next probe in here. We'll get it in this one, right in the middle. These big old massive steaks, they're gonna go to about 120, and then we're gonna fire this up and sear it off. In there, I've already flipped over the steaks when they're hit 80 degrees, so we still got a little bit of time. So they're about 100 degrees each. Once they hit 120, we're gonna pull them off, pat them dry. We'll max out the heat on the grill grates, and then start searing up the steaks. All right, all the steaks are up to temp. Get these beasts. These are some thick ass steaks right here. That boy thick. Okay, we're just gonna pat these dry. Already got the other side. Just gonna let them chill out, and then we'll be good to go. All right, now it's time to crank up the temp. We're gonna go up to 600 degrees. All right, 600 degrees. We'll start searing off the steaks on them grill grates. All right, we got the Sear Tech open. We're gonna get a couple of these steaks on. We'll do it 2 at a time. We'll get our press on there. Set the timer for a minute, and then we'll switch them up. All right, we got plenty of fire, plenty of heat. All right, gonna turn it. All right, get our press back on. Get it pressing. I got the press on there, making sure we get a good contact with the grill grate. But that's what's gonna produce these amazing marks. Look at those grill marks right there. That's competition worthy right there, baby. All right, guys, so we're running low on light out here, but I'm gonna slice this up and then I'll bring the light over. Got a nice rare in there. Woo, look at that. How about this? Dang good. Nice medium rare, exactly how a ribeye should be cooked. As you can see, we're shooting at night. It's a little dark. I'm trying to figure out the way I want to set this up, but the steak is amazing. Got a nice rare, medium rare going on right there. Guys, like I said, we're doing work in the kitchen. That's why we're outside today. So if you hear something in the background, a bunch of chatty Cathy's in there, they're tearing out the sink right now. So guys, we're gonna enjoy this dinner. If you see anything you like in these videos, the LG grill, the knives, the cutting boards, all that good stuff, make sure you click the links down below in the video description. I'm affiliate with all of them. Sorry about the blown out light, but this is the best I can do right now. I'll figure it out later. If you guys want to join and be part of CJ's crew for real, hit that join button. A few perks in there. Get your name at the end of the video. We talk about it. You go high enough tier, I'll make something for you. I'll send out some CJ's swag for you. Listen, I hope you all have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.
Getting underneath me. All I dream of lately is how to get you underneath me.